Morning, guys. Welcome to the first vlog. So here at right now the time is around 5 a.m. So we are starting here. So let's pick up John and let's start off to Bangalore. Here we are to pick up our friend John on the way. Hi, John.
Hello, good morning.
So hello again. So we've just crossed the second toll gate on our way to Bangalore, and this is time for the first pit stop. So this pit stop for re-energizing. So re-energizing in India means chai. Yeah. So let's stop for chai and let's see how's the chai here like. Yeah. So we've stopped here for a view, river. I mean Krishna River at Beachpalli on the Bangalore highway. We've covered almost, I think 150 kilometers we have covered till now. And the climate is pretty good. I mean it's sunny. It's early winters. Very good weather right now actually. Because it's very balanced. It's not so hot, it's not so cold. It's very good. So guys, we are on the highway. We are, I think, 150 kilometers away from Bangalore. So there have been two pit stops. One near the Beachpalli and second one near the Kurnool, where we had breakfast. The breakfast was pretty average. Because we did not go into the Kurnool city, or else we would have got very good breakfast inside the Kurnool city. So yeah, I think we are near the Kia. Yeah, I'm passing through the Kia manufacturing plant right now. So this is it's a very huge plant which is located near Anantapur. Not exactly near Anantapur. I think it comes under Anantapur district, but it's near the border of Bangalore and Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It's a very huge plant. And also that is the reason these people get Kia for lesser price than any other states. Yeah, as you can see, so huge. You can see it for kilometers. I don't know how huge it is. I mean, how many acres? So it will be I think it will be in some hundreds of acres only. There are the hills along the way. There are many hills along the way, which will give us very good view. I mean, the lighting condition is not that good today. There are many clouds, or else if there is good lighting condition, you can see the hills properly. We've reached Bangalore and we are heading towards lunch directly as we are tired from all the drive since early morning. So we've called a couple of friends to join us for the lunch. So we are going to Koramangala 5th block to our favorite place, which is Meghna's Biryani. Yeah, you may be surprised going from Hyderabad to Bangalore and then having biryani, but yes, for a vegetarian person like me, we get one of the best paneer biryanis you can ever find in here at Meghna's Bangalore. Here we are at Uru Brew Park. This is located in JP Nagar in Bangalore. This is quite a pretty nice place. I'm coming to this place for the 4th time, but I've never seen this place this crowded. Despite these COVID-19 times, this place is this crowded. I mean, seriously. But although the tables are very far, there is social distancing maintained and sanitization is being done very properly. also, I mean, see, this is what I love about Bangalore. See the weather over here. I mean, it's so cool. It's exactly. And I've come here with few of my friends. And this is Jugal, Rajesh, Jayavant, and you know John. You're seeing him from today morning. And these pretty girls over there. So this is Twinkle and this is Bhavna. So also it's pretty excited. I think many people are here because of the match, and also, and yeah, there is semi-finals RCB versus SRH. If you can see here, the match is going on here.
A few moments later.
Okay, SRH fans, how do you feel about the match, SRH fans?
It's really good to be in Bangalore and to support SRH. I think that's the best thing ever.
Unbeat Bangalore.
Obviously, well-known fact, Hyderabad is the best city in the world. There's no mic drop or mic hold or whatever shit.
Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. So the day 2 starts with traffic because Bangalore is famous for its traffic. Yeah, it's Saturday morning and we just got ready and we are starting for breakfast. We are going to the oldest Mavalli Tiffin Room. Mavalli Tiffin Room means MTR, you know MTR Masalas, right? So they have restaurants in Bangalore called MTR restaurants. So MTR means Mavalli Tiffin Rooms. So this is located in Lal Bagh, near to Thormangla. And the reason I'm showing you this street is because this is Christ College back street, the Christ University Bangalore's back street. We have come here for our famous place, the famous joint which is located near the back gate. We used to come here every day after the college. And it used to be full. We never got. We always used to wait for the seat, but right now it's very empty. I mean, due to the COVID and even the colleges are closed, so it's pretty empty. So we ordered our everyday menu here. Same chai, samosa, and the very special bun-veg cutlet. Yeah, Jayavant is pretty disappointed because he did not wanted this version of egg Maggi. He expected a different version of egg Maggi. Exactly. Here we are at Church Street. One good thing that we can observe here is government is screening everyone who is entering to the Church Street. They're screening the temperature and they've also provided sanitizer here. And before they used to allow vehicles inside, they've stopped allowing vehicles now. It's only a walkway right now. And you can see, as there are no vehicles, they put up tables even outside on the footpath. No, many of the restaurants have done that. It's pretty cool, na? It's dinner time now. So we actually thought of having dinner at some other place. We thought of going to Community, which is nearby. But again, after seeing this place, we thought we'll just sit here and chill and have dinner here itself. So today night we've planned for light dinner. Just some iced tea, coffees, milkshakes and some sandwiches. Yeah, so if you can see, it's like literally we are sitting on the street and eating, but it would be very good if there is less crowd. But still, it's a new experience.
Everybody's going down to the wall because they can't get up. Come on, get up.
It's our third day in Bangalore, and it's right now the time is around 12 o'clock. We are here at UB City. Yeah, UB City of Vijay Mallya. So we come here to have lunch actually. So we actually planned to go to Shivana Samudra today in the morning, all of our friends, but no one woke up. Very bad. No one woke up in the morning. So we just had breakfast nearby, and so generally whenever we used to feel bored, we used to come here in the evenings because it's so peaceful here, because there is an amphitheater here. So there are many cafes here, and there's also one restaurant above the building. It's called Sky Lounge. So that is where we are going for our lunch right now. I think it's almost in 20th floor. So it's always feels nice to sit at an elevated place and have food. Yeah. So that's the Marriott building. So I hope we can successfully start in 1 hour or so and reach Hyderabad by evening. So we are finally out of Bangalore. We have crossed, I think, around 100 kilometers. Yeah, so this was an end to the 3-day short trip. So we had many plans, but we could not achieve all of them. But still, it was a pretty great trip. I mean, I think this is my first trip after the lockdown. Once I've come to Bangalore just to collect my luggage from my flat. So one observation that we can see not only in Bangalore but even in Hyderabad is that I don't know. I think the people are fed up by sitting at their homes, or they can't travel to other places. There may be any reason. I'm seeing a lot of crowd in many places. I mean, the same places where there used to be less crowd, right now there is more crowd than usual. Thank you for watching my first vlog. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned to my channel, and also please like, share and subscribe.